Technology Summit is to help our customers be able to see and understand better ways that they can use the technology that they're currently using.
It's nice hearing a keynote speaker at the beginning, hearing about the Utah Jazz.
So far, I just like the range of Microsoft products I've been able to learn about, all the new upcoming features.
It's been super helpful. There's been a ton of different topics.
It's been pretty cool to see what's changed, what's new, and things that could affect my business.
The breakout sessions are great. The vendors do a great job. The JourneyTEAM is awesome.
I've enjoyed a lot. I've enjoyed collaborating with clients and new clients, potential clients. It's been a good show.
It's been excellent. I'm really excited for the Cold Stone break.
Enjoyed the several of the presentations. The last one especially, where they gave some specifics about Power BI and how that's working with SharePoint.
Oh, the cybersecurity kind of on one page. That was a good one. That was insightful.
I loved it. I always loved it. I've been coming, I think, for the last 3 years.
Hey, I'm Brian Tenney with JourneyTEAM. Want to thank you for coming out to our event. Had a great time today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And looking forward to next year's event, making it even bigger and better.